How to change your password in Drupal. This tutorial assumes you've already logged into Drupal. Now let's learn how to change our Drupal password. Click the My Account link. Then click the Edit link. Scroll down. This is the Edit Account page, where we can configure our account and change our password. Enter a new password here. Confirm your password by entering it again here. Be sure the password match indicates yes. Otherwise, you'll have to re-enter your password in both boxes to ensure both entries match. Then click Save. The password has been successfully changed. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to change your Drupal password.